Hi Mahesh, happy 60th birthday to you. Wow man, 60 years. सोच भी नहीं सकते कि you'll be celebrating 60th birthday. I still feel that you are still 30 years old. Although I've known you for 30 years. But लगता है ऐसे ही कि you are still 30 years old. The kind of energy and the kind of drive that you have puts a 20-year-old to shame, and you are celebrating 60th birthday. Unbelievable, really unbelievable. Wow, cheers to you. And the journey that you have traveled, the business, I've been a spectator to your journey as a friend, as a business partner, as an observer, and most of all as a business analyst. क्या जर्नी रही तुम्हारी, really amazing. Kudos to you for having driven this company Singhi Advisors to a milestone situation where now you are recognized as a, I would say, as a force in the M&A field, and the entire country, the people who are in the key positions recognize the kind of achievements that you have led this business and this company to. But that is on one side. I would rather talk to you and talk about you as a person, an inspiring person, loving person, caring person. मतलब क्या बोले? It's a inspiring situation that you have put yourself in, and I really would like to share this, I would say, this story and this journey that we have traveled together with lots of people. Have a great time ahead. Have a 75th year as if you are a 40-year-old, and have a 100-year as if you are a 50-year-old. This is what I wish for you. Have a great journey to in the future, and love you. And I would not wish to forget Shefali, Shubham, and Surbi, who have been the people supporting you in this journey and making you a person that you are, a whole person, and really amazing. Cheers. Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. You've always had the energy of a 16-year-old, wisdom of a 76-year-old. So that brings us to 60. Wish you a very happy 60th birthday. You always say life is a challenge, deal with it. And we have seen you deal with several challenges, smiling, taking head on. But here's a small challenge for you today. You'll have to sit still without moving for 5 minutes. So let's see how you deal with this challenge. Jagrat avastha mein, not while sleeping, but when you're awake, 5 minutes without any movement except for the blinking of an eye. Wish you a very happy birthday, and may God bless you.
Hi Maheshji, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday.
Hi MS, wish you a very happy birthday.
So there can't be one memory if you are together for 18 years. So let's start from the beginning. So we met first time in my first year of job. Me and Pooja, we both went together with you to Hong Kong. So let's hear from Pooja's mouth.
So, Mahesh, I think my fondest memory has been that of Hong Kong. That was my first interaction with you. And you made me a part of the Singhi family even before I got married to Deepak. And ever since, all my interactions with you have been very joyous and have been very memorable. And, at least the offsites, you are my only reason to come on the offsite. And second is the location. And you have any memory of Hong Kong?
Let's not talk about what we had in Hong Kong. So
yeah,
but it was memorable, and
of course you're also one of the very good dance partners on any offsite.
And we love you.
Yeah,
we adore
love
you.
And we adore you, we admire you, we respect you, and once again a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maheshji. Thank you.
Maheshji, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, wealth, more energy and passion. I have a very, very special feeling for you. Our friendship goes long way. Especially when I was confused to leave Reliance and start my own venture. The way you supported, guided, and just made one statement, "मैं हूँ ना," which helped me to take a decision, and I am very thankful for helping me to take that decision. All the best.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mahesh sir. 60 is the new 16, at least with you. Your boundless energy has been a source of inspiration for all of us, personal and professional level. I also can personally say that your every advice, both professionally and personally, is very measured always and has, without exception, been very helpful to me. कभी कभी समझ नहीं आता immediately उसका implication, but after few weeks, months समझ में आता है. But I think that's the way you play, and long innings to go, and from all of us, wish you a very pleasant year.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mahesh. Hope you're having a great time with friends and family. It's been a couple of years since I've known you, but over the last year and a half, I've really got to know you very closely. There are many that you inspire, and I'm no different. Last year on your birthday, I wrote you a card along with a succulent that, and I mentioned how I strongly feel that I needed a mentor like you in life. And a year from then, the sentiments have only grown stronger. So thank you so much for being the inspiration for many of us. There's a lot that I've learned from you. How every action of yours is deep rooted in the values and principles that you deeply care for, be it giving first or never treating anything as a true loss, thinking about the worst first, but then being completely fearless in your actions, how one should trust one's conviction, but being armed with knowledge is very important. And while some of these takeaways may seem simple, but they are very deeply layered philosophies, but your experience and you make it sound so simple. So there's a lot more to learn, and looking forward to just creating and sharing a lot of big milestones for Singy in the years to come. So yeah, have a great day. Happy birthday once again, and bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mahesh sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Thank you for guiding us, the entire team of MSSBU and Team Singy, and bringing us to a level where we are all matured and very independent people today. Thank you for sharing your knowledge without any hesitation. Wish you all the best.
Passion of 24.
Energy of 60.
Curiosity of 5. Dreams of 15. This makes the collective fabulous 60. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday,